Hi, I'm Oscar, and this is my workshop. This whole thing, this thing that I'm in, is the garden. This thing right here, this is my workshop. And behind you, that's Les's workshop. Les collected all this. That's a cat. That isn't in the frame. It's called Cinderella. It's got arthritis. I'm kind of surprised it's still alive, to be honest, but it's holding in there. Me and Les made the workshop in about a month, and it cost me about £500. When I say me and Les made the workshop, I mean Les made the workshop. I handed him things, like tools. Not all the stuff is scraps though, because we're both artists. We've collected with... Can you shut up? I don't really like cats. What was I saying? This used to be my old bike. That's a goldfish bowl. That's half a bath. There's some bins. Endless possibilities. Les did that. Les did that. Les did that. Les did all of that. I put that there. And this is the inside of the workshop. I made it initially to be storage, but I don't really use it for storage. I'm not really using it at all at the moment. Did this the other day. It's a jigsaw of Queen Elizabeth I. And on the back the pieces are numbered. There's quite a lot of things in this workshop even though it's not used for storage, like this, and this, and these, which came from a farmer. That one's missing because I was sick in it. Maybe it's that one. The newest addition to the workshop. I've used the workshop quite a lot for podcasts in which I sit down, normally here or there once, and talk to people I know about nothing really. I think the shortest one's about 50 minutes. A TV that we found outside the house. You should check it out. It does work, but it does work. Okay. It is quite nice just to sit down in this. It's a bit like inside. Floor, walls, windows. But slightly colder and more quiet. And it's got work in the title, which is important.